Take a look at this incredible luxury home, a stunning waterfront property, private yacht access, a helipad where neighbors arrive in their helicopters, luxury vehicles gliding through the community. This is a lifestyle most people only dream about. And yet, this beautiful home sat on the market for months. Why? Because even great properties can get lost when they're marketed using yesterday's methods. The real estate agent worked hard. She had passion. She tried open houses, baked cookies, put up signs, and used the same traditional tactics we've seen for decades. When that didn't work, she hired clowns and monkeys and turned it into a complete circus. But today's buyers don't search the way they used to. More and more people are turning to AI to help them discover, compare, and evaluate properties before they ever contact an agent. That's where everything AI comes in. We don't just market your listing, we position it where modern buyers are looking. We use AI-powered visibility strategies to help your property stand out, rise above competing listings, and reach the right audience fast. Instead of hoping buyers stumble across your property, we help make your listing impossible to ignore. Imagine creating excitement around your home, generating interest, building momentum, turning a listing into a destination. At Everything AI LLC, we help property owners and real estate professionals use the power of AI to gain visibility, attract qualified buyers, and maximize profits. Stop letting your listing sit on the sidelines. Put it front and center. Let Everything AI help your property get the attention it deserves. We optimize everything we create, and AI lets us deploy this message in French, Spanish, and Hindi instantly. Now watch what happens when we plug our real estate agent's old creative Circus workflow into a real global system. Tu payes une place au premier rang du cirque si ton entreprise continue de faire le clown avec l'ancien marketing de recherche. Tu negocio se está ahogando en el mar si no es recomendado por ChatGPT. अगर AI तुम्हें मौका नहीं देता तो कोई खरीदार नहीं आएगा जब तक AI तुम्हारी सिफारिश नहीं करता. Everything AI, bringing tomorrow's buyers to today's listings. Don't remain invisible. Let AI give you the opportunity to dominate the market.